A zoo tour. Hi guys, I am Kathy. When I have a free time, I enjoy going to the zoo. The name of my favorite zoo is National Park. This zoo is located 5 kilometers from my house. I like animals. So, when I have free time, I enjoy visiting this zoo. There are always cute and funny animals to observe. My most favorite animals are deers and rabbits. The stripes of the tiger are so beautiful. I love the lions, too. Their teeth send a shiver down my spine. When I'm done with the deers, I like to walk over to the monkey habitats. They are the most active in the afternoon. So the best time to visit is after lunch. I am not allowed to feed them though. It's against the rules of the zoo. Speaking of food, I usually buy an ice cream cone before I leave the zoo. My favorite flavor is chocolate chip. It's perfect way to end a fun trip outdoors. Guys, do you like animals? What is the name of your favorite animal? Please comment.
I know you told your friend you're not okay.
Thanks for
Tell me
watching.
what's wrong.